If you're out in addiction, if you're out in the streets or in jail, a lot of people probably don't want to talk to you.
Whatever it is, we try to get you that help, okay?
I try to at least engage with them. I try to see the person, the being, the soul. I work with Riverside County Behavioral Health, part of a team called the Justice Outreach Team. We do outreach engagement where we connect people to mental health and substance use services. Most of the time, those services are trying to address any type of legal charge that they do have.
Because they have like everything, hygiene kits, food, DPSS.
Mental health and substance use, there's a lot of charges that people get that's connected to it. So if I just look at my own history, my involvement with law enforcement, it was because I was going through something. I self-medicated, and that led me down to a road where it wasn't good. There has to be some sort of enforcement. There has to be.
Yeah? You want to get reconnected?
It can't just be all jail. It can't just be all incarceration. And it can't just be all like no jail, no incarceration. Maybe there needs to be something in the middle.
The people we deal with, we see them get booked dozens and dozens of times. So what we try and do is work with them a little bit more and get them the services that they need so that they don't have to keep getting booked into jail or visiting the emergency room.
Yeah.
Doing the most good.
So we do.
I hated law enforcement. I really did. Because, in my addiction, they were the problem. I'm the type of person that I got to that point where I'm going to force you to make me change. And they did. And when I got to work with them, I got to see what goes on behind the doors, the conversations before, they come up to somebody. And I saw the human side.
When I first met Felipe, I had no idea of, someone that had the similar past as me or someone that went through those type of things. And then when he would come and visit and, to speak with me, it was interesting to see that someone did make it through.
Mm-hmm. He's taken the steps and the time to figure out exactly what you personally would benefit from in terms of recovery, which is a big deal for those of us on the bench, because we need to know from an expert, how do we help treat this person and how do we come up with a safety plan that would not only protect the public, but protect the individual.
Yeah, I'm just really grateful for, honestly, this justice system. Like, coming from not even caring if I lived to, to being in trouble, and then accepting responsibility, and then wanting to change, and then giving the opportunity to change, and then the people to support me and help me do that.
I'm meant to, man.
Thank you.
There is hope for people, no matter what your situation is.